All these things. Anong
Di na
sa ekonomiya?
Di na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik.
Oo.
The Filipino people are being scammed by this government. So, bakit scam? Kasi wala kang lalabasan eh. Lahat sila nag-conspire na. They have weaponized most institutions. I don't know if there's still one institution that's independent or you can call independent. No? So, tapos, nadagdagan pa nitong crisis sa Middle East. So, saan pupunta itong mga taong to? Yung savings sila mauubos. Actually, sa dami ng baha na dinaanan ng Pilipino, babaha pa ulit ngayon, walang flood control, yung savings mo talaga mauubos.
Kaya lang nila gusto ma-impeach si VP Sara dahil natatakot sila sa posibilidad na maging presidente siya, at kung maging presidente siya, kung sa ngayon nakakalusot sila at hindi pa sila napapanagot doon sa kanilang mga kasalanan, sa tingin nila hindi sila makakalusot kay VP Sara.
Saan ba nagsisimula ang budget? It's from the Office of the President through the submission of the NEP or the National Expenditure Program. Sinabi ni Saldico that Bongbong Marcos was asking for 100 billion per year.
25%.
Oo, that's 25% of the total unprogrammed funds. Sa'yo na nga nanggaling yung NEP, bakit ka pa manghihingi ng unprogrammed funds? Diba? You are the programmer of the whole budget and the whole fiscal authority of the government. It's so preposterous for a president. You do not know what is your task as a president of the Republic of the Philippines because the power of the purse belongs to you. Why? You are the first proponent of the whole budget and you are the approving officer of the whole budget.
I have solid basis for my statement that Ferdinand Marcos was the most corrupt president that the Philippines ever had. And this is what I want to say to you. 40 years after we kicked out Marcos, we have a second Marcos as our president.